Alright. You feel me? Got the curls, you feel me? Alright, good. We got the curls going, that's what's up. Hold on, Alright, let me grab my phone real quick. Let's do this. Alright. Hold on, let me back up. Let me do this, alright. So, what's the price of Bitcoin today? Oh, what's up, y'all? It's Crypto Kenzie, man. Man, y'all already know what time it is. It's time for Crypto and Culture. Let's go. Okay. What's going on, Crypto Cousins? It's your Bitcoin baby daddy here with another episode of Crypto and Culture. Hold up. Let me make sure I get this mic over here. You feel me? Boy, your boy black. God damn, I'm black. But that's not the point right now. Oh, I may not want to get too close to this thing. Let me turn up this volume so I can hear myself. Okay, so I see what I'm talking. I see what I'm working with right now. All right, who didn't see this coming, or did I? I'm not gonna be one of them dudes to claim that I saw this coming, or blah 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 blah, or this and that. Man, that's all bullshit, bruh. Nobody saw this coming. No one saw this shit coming. No one knew this shit was gonna dip this low. No one knew. But everyone's gonna say I've been calling it since blah, blah, blah. Man, shut the hell up forever. Let me slide this over here. Shut the hell up forever. Like, shut up. But, man, let's get into this chart, man. So, what is going on, guys? So, we just had the massivest dump. We had the massivest dump, y'all. This shit ugly. Oh my God, this shit is ugly, y'all. All right, so right now Bitcoin's sitting at $8,644. We hit a low. I mean, different spots had different prices, but right now on the BTC USD on Bitstamp, it hit a low of about $8,000 even. Now, hold on. Let me see if I can get some of these lines in. Ooh, what we were talking about, man, guys. Go check one of my older videos. Y'all. But before, man, look. Before we really get into it, I have some notes that I want to make sure I say some things. First and foremost, y'all, for everybody who was talking, man, I wish I bought Bitcoin a little bit lower. This is your chance. This is your moment. This is your opportunity to buy Bitcoin lower. When you see dumps like this, big dumps like this is the time to buy lower. This what people don't realize is this is the whales, aka the people that have been in this for like a lot of years, that accumulated a lot of Bitcoin. This is them shaking out people, getting them scared, making them think that this is like it's over, it's done, give up, you ain't finna make it. This is them trying to shake people out, and it's your job to not let them do that. So let's get back into this. So if I go ahead and draw this real quick from top to bottom, right? Top, bottom. That's a 42% dip. 42% dip. Remember this blue line? You see the last time, if we go back down here, back to 2016, this blue line, we hit that bit a couple of times before it just keep going up. I don't know how many times we're gonna hit it as much now, but it's been known to hit this blue line a couple of times. Now, if we go, this is back November 2015. What is that? 41% correction. God damn. From the top, from that local top. What is this right here? Hold on. Another 40% correction. This one over here from June 16 to August 16. God, it's kind of familiar. This one seems kind of familiar, don't you think? And look what happened, y'all. Crashed, bounced under it, came back the same day. It looked like it came back the same day, back over the line, touched the blue line, kept it moving, kept it moving, kept it moving, and kept it moving. But it took a good, what, all the rest of October, December, November, and December to even get back to this all-time high. Now this right here may be something that we might need to look at for this year. It might look something like this. That's a little quick prediction, but we can see that we always, when we hit a local top, always try to come down, test this blue line and keep it moving. And when we break that line and stay under that line, or when that line starts turning down, we in a bear market. But that's more of a lagging indicator. Right now we hit our 40%. There it is. We in there. So this is the time. This is the time to call grandpa. This is the time to call your uncles, your sisters, your mama. I'm telling all my homeboys, my niggas, look, I can't promise you it's not finna go down lower, but I can promise you that the last time we were here, we were what? This is back in May? Back in May? This is the last time we were here? Come on. This is the last time. Look, this is probably like the next couple of weeks. As you saw, when we did the thing, we looked back at the chart. This might be the last couple of weeks you gonna get some cheap Bitcoin. Now, what could have caused this dip? Like I said, people say it's this, it's that, it's this. Not gonna lie to you, yesterday, what, Bakkt came out? Bakkt came out yesterday. Buy the hype, sell the news. Classic buy the hype, sell the news. So Bakkt came out yesterday, and this was this candle yesterday. And what happened? Oh, we dipped down a little bit, but as you can see, we never recovered from that dip down. Then today we hit the real dip down. And like I was saying in the previous video, the more we keep hitting this line and staying it, the more likely it's not support. Because anytime you've reached the bottom, it doesn't stay at the bottom for long. Like, think about this, guys. It didn't stay down here for long. It didn't stay down here for long. Maybe a day, Bob. It didn't, we never hit this one point again. And then when we hit this one point, we never hit it again. But remember back here when we were hitting 6,000 multiple times, chilling down here? Like, look at this. Look how many times we hit this. Look. Of course it wasn't support. Of course it wasn't, y'all. Come on now. Come on. But classic buy the hype, sell the news. Bakkt's Bitcoin futures came out, which are physically backed with Bitcoin. So of course people just selling. Not only that, y'all, but if you guys didn't know, Congress right now is having a meeting right now on like regulated Bitcoin futures exchanges right now, today, or if you're watching this tomorrow, which is when I'm going to post this, yesterday. And it's only a coincidence, I assume, that today is the day that this massive drop happened. Almost like the whales are like, nah, just to let you guys know, we got control of this shit. Don't play with us. Don't play with us, bro. This is like mafia battles, bruh. I promise you, if you guys, oh my God, it's like mafia battles. But for real, for my people that are DCAing, that are dollar cost averaging, man, this shouldn't be nothing to you guys, bruh. This shouldn't be nothing to you guys, bruh. But what did I want to show you guys? Hold on. This is it right here. So in my little trading group right here, you feel me? People just talk like all this happened on BitMEX. Of course, the BitMEX. All of this happened on BitMEX. It's one dude, and these people just talking about like, dude, this one guy, and it's literally one person. $10 million order of physical Bitcoin on BitMEX, because you know you only fluctuate with BitMEX on there. $10 million gone. Crashed the market. 20%, 10% in a day. God damn. So that's one of the things that the people are saying, like, this dude on BitMEX definitely hit that short button and just knocked out a whole bunch of people just for the hell of it. Also, what we got here, let me put that down. Oh, what I want to pull up for you guys, BTC 1 exclamation point. What is that? Boom. So people have been talking about it for a very long time. The CME gap, this gap right here, this gap that's in between, what is it, 8,400 and 9,000. This gap right here, y'all. We just filled it. So every time we get one of these like gaps, because the price moves so quickly, as you can see, we closed this gap right here. We all closed all these gaps right here. And it's a thing, like this is like a thing that like anytime we have a gap later on in the future, it has to be filled. And so this gap has finally been filled. And now that it's been filled, I'm pretty sure going forward, these gaps are going to get filled all the time now. Just to be real, like they're going to get filled all the time. People are now going to say, oh, like this is guaranteed. And I'm probably going to say it too, because everyone else is going to say it. And if everyone's doing it, you have to do it, because you have to follow the trend. Because if you're and you have to follow the right trend, trust me. But I'm thinking like maybe next time we get a gap this big that hasn't been filled, it probably will never get filled, just to sucker people out thinking that they'll get the gap and niggas gonna get mad. But so we got the CME gap filled. Now let's see, did BAC dump the price? Did the whale on BitMEX dump the price? Did somebody say, you know what, Congress, we see y'all watching, we gonna dump the price today just to let y'all know, y'all better be scared? Who knows? I don't know. But here's my personal opinion, you guys. So if you're dollar cost averaging, and if we pull this back up, BTC USD, and we're just gonna get bit stamped. If you've been dollar cost averaging, bruh, if you've been doing it every week, especially this year alone, this drop down to 8,000 is nothing. It's nothing. Like you shouldn't be stressing. You should be buying, because the last time you were able to buy at this price was back over here in May. So you don't, this is the time to be, if you got a little extra this week, put a little extra this week if you got it. But, and also remember what we saw like on this chart, on the chart, like if, and I know past doesn't, you know, whatever, the past that can't really predict the future like that. But just look at this, guys. We're gonna hit the blue line, and then it's gonna take some time. We're gonna grind it out for a couple of days, a couple of months, my fault, and then we're gonna pop off by the end of the year. So it's really about what y'all trying to do, man. But other than that, guys, it's been your Bitcoin baby daddy. I just want to make sure to get this video out to you guys. I also had another couple of videos coming out, but I didn't want to edit those videos on and make sure I get this video so that way you guys can see what's going on, so that way you can get the fresh and daily news. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this content. Let people know your boy out here. We trying to get this. We trying to make these gains, bro. We trying to make these gains. I'm trying to make these gains. You feel me? So make sure to like, subscribe, share this content. Leave in the comments below, what do you think dropped the market? Was it classic buy the rumor, sell the news? Was it whales on BitMEX talking about, hey, we gonna show these Congress people that they ain't got no control over here? What is it gonna be? Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, take it easy, guys. Take it easy. I'm talking take it easy, because I'm about to put me a long position. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm finna put me a long. After this little H forms, like after we get a confirmed little bottom, I'm finna put me a little long in. You feel me? A little bit. You already know.